Hey, it's my birthday weekend, and for my birthday I have built the Solar Eclipse Orbiter. It's made from 100% recycled parts from various past launched rockets. So all of this, every piece of this rocket has flown before, but on other rockets in various forms. The only thing that isn't recycled is the Estes C6-7 model rocket engine that will power it today. Now, the rocket will reach an altitude estimated at 2,000 feet in only 8.6 seconds. So that gives it a estimated 232.5 feet per second speed, or in other words 159 miles per hour. So let's launch the Solar Eclipse Orbiter and let's see how well it flies. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.